Get ready. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, while speaking on the appropriation bill, I would like to discuss a little disparity in the matter of the distribution of the allocations to the different states. Sir, there are many backward states in this country, including Assam. Generally, the allocation of the central grants for all these states is not, I submit, in proportion to the needs or according to the income of the particular state. The government of Assam has in its present budget shown a deficit of nearly rupees 30 crores, and it has also been stated that it is not possible to collect this amount within the state itself by additional taxation or otherwise. As a matter of fact, the government of Assam has been complaining to the centre about the inadequacy, or rather the disproportion, in the grants made from the income tax collected from the resources in Assam and from the excise duties on tea, jute, etc., as well as on petroleum. Sir, until some more adequate finances are made available to that state from the resources of the state itself, this deficit will go on and the development of this state would be hampered. It is time something was done, because it has been accepted as a principle that we should devote a little more attention towards the development of the backward people and the backward areas. Assam is one of the most backward areas. It is almost the most backward area, and I think in the matter of giving finances, the government of India should give a little more money for the development of that state. That state is backward in many respects. We have to see that this disparity that is there in this country and which is widening in certain places is removed as early as possible, and to bring in more industrialization of the backward places. Assam being one such backward state, there should be more consideration given to it. Then there is the question of communications in the state of Assam. Some attempts have been made for developing communications in that state, but no industrialist has yet been tempted to come to that state to start an industrial undertaking and take advantage of the immense natural resources of that state and utilize them for the benefit of that state and for that of the whole country. So, the development of communications is another important factor. The development that has taken place is not at all enough, and the pace of progress has to be much swifter so that the state could be brought on par with the other states. The general complaint everywhere is that the Posts and Telegraphs Department has not been very efficient, or that it has deteriorated in efficiency in many places. People have been complaining of not receiving telegrams in time and of not receiving their letters. This is the case not only in Assam but elsewhere also. Of course, it depends on the efficiency of the people who are administering this department. Therefore, I submit more attention should be given to the efficiency in this particular department so that people may not have the grievance regarding the receipt or delivery of telegrams and letters. Firstly, I have to say something about the department dealing with statistics. The authenticity of these statistical information is always being questioned from all quarters. Generally, we find that these statistics are collected from official papers, and those official papers are not based on the actual facts. For instance, in the matter of agricultural production, we have been hearing for a long time that there has always been an increase in production. But actually, only this year, perhaps during all these 5 or 10 years, has there been a little more production in agriculture. But all these years, we have been hearing from these statistical publications that production from agriculture has been increasing all these years. As a matter of fact, production was going below our requirements. So, the statistics should be based on actual village inquiries and not on the papers submitted from the revenue offices through their officers. Now, I have to say a few words about some multi-purpose river projects. We have been told that the investigation for one multi-purpose project has been going on in Assam. This investigation has been going on for the last 10 years or so, and every year some money is being allotted for this purpose. We are surprised that this investigation has not yet been completed. In Assam, we have been waiting for power all these years, and it has to come from the development of this project, and this project alone can supply the power that Assam so badly wants. And Assam is so backward in the matter of power supply. I would like to draw the attention of the government to the necessity for expedition in respect of investigation of this project. The work on this project should be stopped immediately so that the investigation may be carried out on proper lines without further delay.